Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. It's my last night in Vegas and I thought I had a wee bit of time, I could do a couple more videos. So I thought about it, I had time to do 2 more hotels. So I thought there's one hotel I thought I've got to do it. And this hotel is featured in many famous movies. It's one of the most famous hotels in the Strip. And it featured heavily in the film Ocean's 11, the George Clooney one. And it's the Bellagio. Now, there's a wee bit of roadworks going on there, so it's a wee bit too busy. So I thought, I can't quite get to the front, I don't think. So I'm going to go up this entrance, up this escalator. So come with me and we'll see what the Bellagio looks like, okay? Now I've been walking about solid for about an hour. On the way down here I went into the Cosmopolitan Hotel and had a wee video of that, so if you want to check that you can go and see if you like what I'm doing. When I first started doing this, I had no intention of being put myself on screen, but it snowballed. Originally I was just going to do walking tours, just walking about filming things without talking, just letting people see what it's like. But everybody says to me that's a wee bit boring to watch, and yes, they're right. I did watch a lot of videos of walking tours, people just walking about filming things, and that's what it started off with. But it's just grown arms and legs, and here I am, put myself out there. So there's a wee view of the Bellagio, Caesar's Palace in the background. There's Paris over there, and you can't see it, but just to the right is Planet Hollywood, which I'm hoping to do, which I think I will do. So anyway, welcome to the Bellagio. So along here, you see these women who are all danced up like showgirls. You get men doing it as well. Well, not dressed like that, but you know, male equivalent. And you can get your photo took with them. So that's floats your boat, then you can do it. So this is a lovely wee walkway actually. Quite glad I did this entrance. I see it's all roads down there. I haven't researched this, I've just had the opportunity and I thought I'll just do it. So there we go. I wonder how much they make doing that, you know what I mean? It doesn't seem hard work, just turn up and get people to give you money for a photo. I think if you didn't charge too much it would probably be a nice earner. They must be making something to be doing that. They'd all be cash in hand. So I didn't realise just how much of a walk this is going to be. Otherwise I probably wouldn't have started this video like this. Caesar's Palace in the background. The horseshoe, flamingo. Aye, this is the life. Going to places like this. I never thought I would do places like this, like travel. I never thought I would, but I've done hundreds. Haven't filmed everything. It's only past few holidays I've done it. I did do ones. I did Pisa. We did a cruise. Lucca. And I never filmed. I filmed them, but I didn't film me talking or doing this. So I feel I'm kind of a boring guy. I can't see anybody really want to watch me, but we'll see. So I'm just going down here.
Hey man.
Alright, how you doing guys? He's alright. Where are you from?
Boston.
Boston. Cool. Oh, I wanted to go there. Take care guys. I should have shouted out the name of my channel. Missed the opportunity there, a couple of guys from Boston. So, see, we're at the front of the Bellagio. It's quite a sight to see. There's a fountain over there. I would do a wee separate video of that. So, I'm just coming up for the front, and the walk through the front of the place to here has took just over 5.5 minutes. So that video's a bit of a non-event, just me talking really. So I'm not going to waste that time. So I'm just going to end this video here and just say like, subscribe and share, and look out for my tour of the Bellagio, because I'll do a full tour. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.